Hello people, how you doing? Mr. Cno here, dropping some more financial get rich and wealth advice for you. Okay, so what are you listening to? Honestly, what are you listening to? Because people, they listen to rap, they listen to gospel music. A lot of people listen to a lot of different kind of music to get them motivated and try to get them on the path of financial wealth and growth. And what I listen to is a lot of motivational sound bites through my Google Play, my Google Music app, and I have some audiobooks, and I have some motivational speakers I listen to on my Google Music, on my Google Play. Now, all these guys, Napoleon Hill, Leslie Brown, what's the other guy? Bob Proctor, a whole bunch of these guys. There's so many that I could name that some of you guys probably haven't heard of. But I'm a big fan of those guys. Napoleon Hill, Leslie Brown, Jim Ron, the list is endless, man. And you have to listen to these people because they're speaking about things that you need to get into and giving you sound bits of advice that you need to adhere towards your life when it comes to growing wealth. Your discipline, the way you carry yourself, the way you speak, who you have around you, and things that you've been conditioned to believe, things that you've been conditioned to adhere to that's not helping you. And they're going to teach you about things that you need to get out of because it's not helping you grow. So instead of listening to certain things that you think is making you wealthy or you think that's going to make you rich, do a little self-analyzing and say to yourself, I've been reading this book, or I've been listening to these people speak, or I've been doing this, but my life haven't changed financially. My health hasn't gotten any better financially. Okay, think about it this way. If you were looking to get in shape and you were out of shape, you were big, you were fat, you were obese, whichever, and you needed a trainer, you wanted a trainer, and you're going to pay a trainer, would you pay somebody who's out of shape as you to try to get you in shape? It wouldn't make any sense, right? Wouldn't you rather pay somebody or get somebody that's in shape, muscular or tone or athletic built, or whichever figure you're trying to desire to get involved in or make your body over? Wouldn't you try to get that type of person? Of course you would. So just like you would get a trainer, a personal trainer that is marketing physically, okay? They're marketing what they're selling and they're successful at what they're marketing. Wouldn't you try to listen to that person? Makes sense, right? So the same thing you need to do. You need to listen to people that have been successful, that are wealthy, that are rich, and that's spitting out these advice and writing these books and making these audiobooks to help you to get successful. That's what you need to listen to. Those are the people that you need to hunt down. Get their books, get their audiobooks. And there's so much information now. There's plethora of information online. First I got some of these books from the library, and then I start buying these stuff. I have books. I have my hard copy of The Richest Man in Babylon. I bought that. First time I heard the story on YouTube, I had to go out and buy the damn book. Now I have the book. I could show you. Here's my hard copy of The Richest Man in Babylon. And YouTube might flag this damn video. I might have to make it over, hopefully, you know. But that's my copy, and I bought it, man. And many of the different books I could show you that I bought. I have the audio volume of Think and Grow Rich. I have on Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now that is freaking great. That's awesome. That's an awesome book and audiobook to listen to and to read. That's great. A lot of stories in it about Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad and his Poor Dad, and Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. Those are great books to read and to listen to in audio version. But this one right here is my favorite also. If I have to go down the line 1, 2, 3, you know, which one, I would say this is number 1 for me, and then Think and Grow Rich, and then Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad. Those are awesome. If you like to read, when you read this book, you're going to read it over and over again, because the stories are so insightful and so motivational that you're going to be like, damn, you're going to see yourself through the stories of these people in these books. There's a lot of different stories, and you'll find out how the reason why some people think the way they think, and you'll realize the way you've been thinking about getting rich, and the things people say, the way people behave, certain situations and surroundings. You're gonna see all these stuff unravel to you. Just pick up one of these books, man. It's worth it. If nobody has ever said, I'm gonna show you how to get rich, or I'm gonna teach you how to get rich, if nobody in your family has ever sat down with you to teach you how to become a business owner, how to become your own boss, how to start an establishment, a corporation, become a millionaire, make an empire. If no one has ever taught you how to do that, this book will. This book will, along with stories and guidelines in this. Just grab this book, grab a pencil or a pen or pencil and paper, or grab your smartphone or your tablet and start taking notes. As you start reading this book, man, like the first 10 pages into it, man, you're gonna start taking notes. All right. So again, please pay attention to what you're reading, the music you're listening, what's going into your head. Okay? Make sure what you're listening to and what you're reading is helping you financially. You want to get rich, right? You want to have money in your pocket. You want to make sure that you have no problem paying for anything that you want to pay for when it's time for you to pay for it. So you have to go ahead and indulge in these things and these stories and these books that are going to help you along the way. Okay? With that said, Cno out, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.